Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, I'm gonna show you two tricks about Cubo by Cam Pro. First one is usage of the double-sided tape, normal double-sided tape to set the frame on the top of the helmet. Once the frame is set, I will use the 3mm tape of the Cubo by Cam Pro and fix it permanently. So it might be useful in setting the frame accurately. And second one is usage of the foam that is available in the Cubo by Cam Pro as a support in attaching it to the tripod for shooting a landscape or time lapse. But here we use the secret switch as I mentioned earlier. The secret switch is called magnet. Later on working on the foam as a support, I discovered it can be used as reinforcement too to support the camera while it is attached to the tripod. Here I use the magnet here as a switch. That is awesome and can be used as a secondary camera for shooting wide angle, time lapses or anything kind of. You can carry this support foam and use it as a stable base and use magnet as a switch to trigger the camera on in any circumstances without having the clip mount is the key, as the clip mount is mounted somewhere on the helmet or mounted to the handlebar. Thus this mount and magnet helps you to use this dash cam as a secondary camera. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for informative videos.